8:35 a.m. I'm about to go to my Pilates class. I dropped off the kids at school and today's Friday. Next week is their spring break. So excited. So wearing this, I bought this from Nordstrom's last year. I'm just gonna take a t-shirt just in case it gets cold in there. Today will be my 70th class. Let's put on some sun cream. Oh my god, these are random photos. This is 변우석 선재. Doesn't it look so real? 상아, miss her. Oh my gosh, with John. I don't even remember when we took this. I've been obsessed with this artist named Woody Z, and his song Drowning is on repeat in my car. So hungry. So for breakfast, I'm just gonna eat something simple since we're gonna eat lunch in about 2 hours. I'm kind of craving just egg toast. I got this matcha green tea powder from a Japanese supermarket, Mitsuya. It's pretty good. It's already sweetened, but I think I'm gonna try to look for another green tea that's a little bit more stronger. Like to pop the yolk. It's good, but I don't really taste the matcha as much. Maybe I'll try adding more powder next time. I got this bag from Trader Joe's for $3. It's not like the smaller size Trader Joe's bag. It's hard to get, and like they resell it for like hundreds of dollars, but I like this big one. So cute. I can actually use this bag for like anything. One of my favorite Korean snacks, the salt bread 소금빵. It's butter and salt. It smells like butter. So today after school, Yeona has tennis, Sonu has soccer, and then I also have a birthday party to go to. So Aiden's gonna drop me off at the birthday party place and then take Sonu to soccer by 7 p.m. Some people are also asking like why we got a new car, and it's because we're having a lot of problems with the car. And like for example, like our reverse wasn't working at times, which is scary. And like after it hit 100,000 miles, it was just getting problems. So we ended up getting a new car. So we got the exact same model GLE 350, except we just switched from white to black and slightly newer in year. Kids are like into Pokemon cards again. This is like their most favorite ones. So there was a way that Sonushida Yuna showed like a way that she like closed the remaining bag of the chips. I think it was kind of like that, and then she just put this under, like an envelope. To my room. Fabric is so soft. And so I was just like jotting down my planner, plans for the upcoming week, and like things that I should film by next week. So I got this cute journal. It was like $3 at Pink Box. This is my like diary thought journal. Also from Pink Box, Aiden got me this Hello Kitty keychain that I wanted. I was gonna buy it at Japan, but they had it at Pink Box. They also sell it at Amazon. Well, I just realized this clasp is broken. I have to go exchange this. Man. But Aiden and I, we like to stop by 3 places. We always go to Nordstrom Rack, and then we go to TJ Maxx, and then we go to Ross, and we always find like really good deals of things. And yesterday I found this soap, hand soap. It's by Russell and Windsor. I've never heard of it. Rose and lychee, smells so good. Today we'll go with silver. For lunch, I want to make some kimchi bokkeumbap. So you just need really ripe kimchi and some of the juice. We don't have that much kimchi left, but I'm just gonna work with what I have. So just cut it up. What's that noise? Okay, just finished lunch. Where are we going? I want to check out this grocery store called Aldi. I heard they have really good prices and a lot of good like German sausages and stuff. I heard that at Aldi you have to pay for plastic bags, so I'm gonna take my new shopping bag. And I also heard you have to pay for carts, so I'm gonna take coins. I got kimchi stain on my clothes, so I had to wash it off. I haven't done this since Korea. Oh, I saw this was really popular, cauliflower pizza. Ooh, this looks so good. Oh, my favorite kombucha here. Oh, their strawberries look really good. I'm gonna try making pesto pasta. Aiden wants to buy a car wash thing. Pressure washer for the car. Aiden also do some yard work. He did some yard work yesterday and then like, oh, it's lit. We picked up Sanu, spring break.
I was talking about the thing. Just the finals, we did it till 9:30. And then it ended up at 26-24.
Wow.
2 points?
You guys won by 2 points. I got this miniature pop figure from Dave & Buster. Size on my pinky. Smaller than my pinky. Your pinky. Are you hungry? For one of my only's birthday party that I have to go to tonight, They're gonna go bowling. I suck at bowling. Usually I need the bumpers, but I don't think they're gonna want bumpers. So watch me score like maybe 40 max today. I know it's gonna end school in 30 minutes. Give some yogurt for the kids. The other one is some honey granola on it. The other one is some mini corn dogs for snack. How was school? Do you have homework? It's spring break. Just like new. Practicing a tennis swing before Yeonwoo's lesson in 30 minutes. I just switched my shirt to a black color. I'm gonna wear socks since I'm gonna be bowling. Later and the kids are probably going to go something and eat it at the soccer place, and then I'm gonna be eating dinner at the Pinsec. I think Yeonwoo's back from tennis.
아니 가? 지금 가야 돼? 버터 어떻게 먹어 그럼?
I suck at bowling. I have to practice right now. I think I'm gonna be last place today.
엄마 옛날 잘했잖아. 엄마 옛날
I still make like 40.
아 엄마
With the bumper. 근데 오늘 어른들은 they're not gonna put bumper.
엄마는 넣으면 되지.
Did you just play soccer in the house? What? It's like a warm up. So dusty outside. See how dusty that is? It's kind of like Korea. Like this. Hi. There's like arcade, bowling. Happy birthday. You got your turn. For dessert, I had cocktail, so I'm red. Get home, I'm still kind of pink. The first game of bowling, I think I scored a 7. In the second game, I scored a 27. My body's so sore right now, and I just remembered I did Pilates and worked out this morning. No wonder. For red shades, I think I look best with like a red with magenta undertone rather than red with an orange undertone. So lazy to shower, but it's so dusty today, so I have to. I need to stretch. I'm so sore. So Aiden is doing a new project thing. He took off the bumper of our car. Is this the bumper or front bumper? Yeah. He's trying to switch it out to this one because he didn't like the dot in the front. Oh my gosh, our naked car. Here's the high water pressure thing we bought earlier. So Aiden said you just hook this up to the water hose, and it'll be very high water pressure to clean your car. You can also put soap in here to wash the car. Late night snack. My sister-in-law baked these cookies. This is matcha cookies, and it's so good. Just to get in the air fryer and it gets warm again and super soft. My face isn't that red anymore. This cookie is so good. I could taste the matcha and the white chocolate and the macadamia nuts. Skin's been very dry lately, that's why it looks very red. So today I'm gonna do the Ucera beauty device. I haven't used that in a while. You know this pajama? Sunny Tae bought it for me like over 10 years ago and it's still my favorite pajama. Even like Sonu, if I'm not wearing this pajama and I'm wearing another one, he's like, where's your Mickey Mouse pajama? Why are you not wearing that? Hey, do we still have that Guess Who game? For the person in the camera. One person. Doesn't have earrings on?
No. Is your character looking right?
Yeah.
Jordan?
하진아! No! That's not fair! Yon is organizing all of his cars. What are these cars and what are all those?
아, 이건 지금 정리하고 있는 거고.
Oh my gosh. He actually did it. Where's the old one? He got a lot of scratches. So this is the original. And then he wanted this one. So he likes to do DIY. He likes to do everything on his own. Aiden's family used to also own an auto shop a long time ago, so he knows a lot about cars. Just wash my face. I'm gonna do this today. I want to sanitize with alcohol pads.
Huh?
Yeah, but you can't drop it. They have to wash everything over.